What is up, everybody? Joe Everest, the fence expert. A couple times a month, I'll get an email that says something to the effect of,
how much does it cost to come spend the day with you and your team? I've got some questions, need some answers. I'd like to get some insight on how you run your business.
The answer is, I don't know. I don't know what something like that should cost. So what we're going to do is we're going to run a contest where you can come visit me and the team for free. So coming up, we're going to talk about the who, the what, the when, the where, the why, and most importantly, the how this contest is going to go down. But real quick, before we get into the contest, just a quick reminder that liking, commenting, and subscribing to the channel are all great free ways to show your support for this channel and what we do. So just like the last contest, we're going to follow my 7th grade English teacher, Mrs. Smith's advice, and go over the who, the what, the when, the where, the why, and the how of the contest. All right, so first and foremost, who's this day tailored for? New and small fence companies looking to grow their businesses. Say an age range of anywhere from 2 to 10 years in business. What are we going to do? It's going to be a day with me and my team. I envision it being a half a day private one-on-one talking about your business and how I can help you grow your business. The other half of the day was going to be a half day with my team so that not only do you have access to me, but you have access to my sales and operations and production rock stars. Get more detailed and tailored answers to your specific questions. When is this going to happen? Great question. January the 28th, the final Friday in January. We would actually fly you out the Thursday before. Make sure you get in safely, get settled in. You would spend the day with me and my team on Friday, followed up with a live interview with me on my Ask the Expert segment Saturday morning, and then get you dropped back off at the airport Saturday afternoon, get you back home safe. All right, the where is a two-part. First and foremost, you're visiting me and my team here at Ozark Fence in Springfield, Missouri. The more important part of this, the second part, is where you're located. You see, we're covering the airfare to get to us and get back home. So we'd rather you be in the continental United States. We're not up for the international flights. Why in the world are we doing this? We want to make the fencing industry better. I have nothing to sell you. There is no sales pitch. Unless you want to buy some fence fittings and they fit in your suitcase. I can do that. We're doing this because I feel like I owe it to the fencing community to give back what I was given. A hand up, a help, a mentor, if you will. I want to do that for you guys. I want to do that for one lucky winner, is to bring you here and try to make your business better. Like I said, no sales pitch. I don't have anything to sell you. Just come on over. We'll make your business better. All right, the final part, and possibly the most important part, is the how. How do you get signed up for this day with the expert and the experts team? Well, Jeremy has created a Google form. He's linked it in the description. That has some basic questions about you and your business and what you hope to get out of the experience. It'll help us try to determine a winner. And I know that's going to be hard. So we've asked for all the information we think is relevant to try to make that great decision. All right, the second part of the how is how the contest is going to run. What are the timelines? This contest will be open. Entries will be accepted through the month of November. Jeremy and I will then compile all the answers, go through them in the first week of December, announce the winner live on an Ask the Expert Saturday edition, and we'll start arranging the travel accommodations. And then, like I said in the win, you'll come out and visit us January 28th, final Friday in January. And if all that wasn't enough, we've got a bonus for you. A little icing on the cake, if you will. It seems like after I go through a one-on-one consultation or really any sort of educational event, I take all these ideas home and I start to implement them. And then they don't go quite as well as I thought they would. So what we're also going to do is make available 4 private Zoom calls with me and my team, if needed, to discuss what roadblocks you're hitting when you're implementing the ideas that we discussed during your on-site one-on-one. You get 4 of these Zoom calls within a 24-month period, giving you plenty of time to implement exactly what we talked about. So again, sign-up link is in the description below. As you're going through the application, if you have any questions, come on back to this video and leave those in the comments. Love to help you out as best as we can. For now, I'm Joe Everest, the fence expert, reminding you that good fences make good neighbors.